I'm a badass woman.
So hello guys, welcome back to my channel That Badass Woman, and today I'm going to explain it to you how I created this sweet little canopy over here. So the first thing first, find a place at your home that you really like, where you would like to spend more time at, and after that just get 3-4 things, very basic things that you will find anywhere. So the very first thing is a mattress. So get any spare mattress at your home. It can be of any size. My mattress is not the typical 3/6 mattress or a 4/6 mattress. It's smaller in size, but I think it was sufficient for me and my cat. So that went well for us. You can pick any mattress, and then have certain cushions. You can pick any cushions that you have at home, and select the kind of covers that you would like. So I like two things a lot. One is books, and then the other one is coffee. So I chose this cushion as a theme here because this is going to be my reading corner, and the corner where I sleep when I get bored reading, right? So I got these things, and get a bed sheet that that is comfy, and that will go with the net. So I chose a black and white kind of duvet and a bed sheet. And I got this net from the market, which was 35 rupees meter. It's a little bit of a hard net. It's also used as mosquito nets, but I got this one for Canopy because I wanted to keep the structure intact. So it's a bit harder than the soft net that is used in the clothes. So I got around 7 meters in total for this length of canopy that I made. You can choose the length depending on what is the height of the canopy that you want, and what is the total length of the canopy. So yes, other thing that you would need is a ring that is used for embroidery. I've used an 8-inch or a 6-inch ring, and I've used some flowers to decorate that ring, and you will see how I use that ring to make this canopy. So let's go ahead and see the process of making the canopy.
Try